Hey there! Today, let's study an amazing chapter of electric current and its effects. In this chapter, we will learn about electric circuit, components of electric circuit, and wrap up the lesson with conductors and insulators. So, what is an electric circuit? It is a complete path through which electric current flows. It should be constructed in an unbroken loop. Now, you must be thinking, what makes an electric circuit complete? Let's answer this question. A simple circuit consists of a battery, or other source, a light bulb, or other load, and conducting wires. Also, in a circuit it is difficult to draw such components, so each electrical device has a symbol. Like, for bulb, we have. For connecting wires, we have. And for battery. Let's see other circuit components. Shown below are other circuit components and their corresponding electrical symbols. Battery. Closed switch. Open switch. Resistor. Motor. Fuse. Let's see what all things allow electricity to pass through them and what all do not. Conductors versus insulators. Conductors. These materials allow charges to flow freely, like a silver spoon or copper wire. Insulators. These materials resist the free movement of charges, like a rubber balloon or tire. Let's move to heating effect of electric current. Electricity makes wires hot. How hot they get depends on what the wire is made of, how thick it is, and how long it is. If too much electricity goes through, the wire can melt or break. We use this heat in things like heaters, toasters, and water heaters. It's also in light bulbs and safety fuses to keep things safe. Next is the magnetic effect of electric current. When electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around the wire. This magnetic field can be visualized using a simple experiment with a magnetic needle and iron filings. When a magnetized nail is brought near iron filings, they attract. Now, we will see what is an electromagnet. In the previous example of magnetic effect, the nail we used actually became an electromagnet. An electromagnet is made by passing electric current through a conductor, creating a magnetic field. This field goes away when the current stops. Unlike permanent magnets, electromagnets only work when there's electricity flowing through them. Let's see the use of electromagnet in real life. Electric bell. An electric bell consists of a coil of wire around an iron piece, an iron strip with a hammer, a contact screw, a battery, and a switch. When the switch is turned on, electricity flows through the coil, turning the iron piece into an electromagnet. This magnet attracts the hammer, striking the bell and producing a sound. The movement of the hammer breaks the circuit, stopping the current to the coil, and the electromagnet loses its magnetism. The hammer falls back, reconnecting the circuit, restarting the process. This cycle continues, causing the bell to ring until the switch is turned off. Now, put on your thinking caps. Can you name other conducting materials aside from copper wire and silver spoon? We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.